welcome to my kitchen. As usual, you are welcome to my kitchen. So, this is the yummy food that I'm preparing. Oh my god, I'm gonna be adding the chicken. Look at this. Cooking and dancing. Oh my god. Cooking is fun, guys. Look at this. What do you want me to prepare for you? What kind of food do you want me to prepare? You are ready. You are free to tell me what you want and I will prepare it. Guys, look at this. Let me bring it closer. Can you see this? That is why I said welcome to my kitchen. Loving cooking. Cooking. Yes, guys, look at this. I love to cook what I eat. Fresh. Look at vegetable. I know it's gonna be delicious. Let me bring it closer, guys. Look at this. What do you think about this? Oh my god. You were gone from beginning to the end. There is no space for arguments. You were God all by yourself. You are God. Can you see this? Oh my god, vibing and cooking. Yes, what you say is what you do, God. So, you are a good God. Come and cook with me while I am dancing and singing. Let me sing for you. You were God from beginning to the end. There is no space for arguments. You are God all by yourself. You got time seizing in your hands. You got lights out of darkness. You don't need a man to be the God you are. You have chosen to call me your own. You are God, from beginning to the end. There's no space for arguments. You are God all by yourself. Guys, this is how I do it. This is how I do it. You see this? Fantastic. Na 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 na, eh. God, you are good. God, you are kind.